So it's been a while since I checked in. Today we got an opportunity to take out some IWI rifles to the range. So a quick review of our experiences on the range. We shot an IWI x95 Tavor as well as a Galil Ace Gen 1. It was me and my teenage son, and we both liked the Tavor more because it was easier to shoot, more compact, and all the weight was back towards your body. Both were extremely accurate. We were hitting a high percent of the time at 100 yards. Steel plates. Some of that can be heard in the video. Probably not all the hits are going to be able to be heard over us talking and other downrange. My first impressions of these rifles are the quality is amazing. I'm an AK guy, so let me speak to the Galil first. The Galil was the smoothest AK I've ever shot. I know it may not be a true AK, but it's definitely an AK platform. It was absolutely the smoothest, easiest to shoot, easiest to handle. And it was in 5.56, so it was very light recoiling, very accurate, amazing sights. Now,
a little bit lower.
Here's my son shooting it. I think it made him flinch a little bit when he shot guns a lot. He didn't like it as much, I think, because all the weight's in the front. It fatigued his off arm. His weak arm was fatigued. He just enjoyed the bullpup so much more than the Galil. However, he still made a decent amount of hits with the Galil at 100 yards. Like right here, you can see how far we were shooting. I just can't speak any more highly of the quality of IWI. So, here I am. The best stance, and we were just kind of goofing around. I got sweatpants on. We're not taking it real serious. We can't do any running. We can't do any rapid fire. So there's rules at the club I have to abide by. But I will say we didn't have one jam, one hiccup. We didn't have any issues, any failures out of a couple of hundred rounds. Not all, which is in the video. Most of it was on camera. I don't know what made us take the videos. We just kind of decided to video each other whenever we felt like it. So, the x95 is the FDE model in 5.56. It's the shorter barrel. It's the closest thing to what the Israeli military carries today. Here he is with it.
Yep.
I used a holographic with it.
Hit.
I believe it's the 512 or the 510. I can't remember the model.
Hit.
But it's the holographic
Hit.
optic, and I will say we loved it. All I did was bore sighted. I don't know how sighted it is, but with a bore sight, we were easily hitting 12-inch points at 100 yards. So, and that was without any adjustments. Again, this video is wrapping up. It's been a while. Please like and subscribe. We could really use your support. We'd like to break 100 videos. I'm going to have some more reviews. I'm going to have some more Tiger reviews. I bought some of the rifles. I took a chance on some of the junkers. And I'm pretty pleased, so we'll see. And here's some bonus footage of a 941 Jericho. Absolutely the most accurate handgun I've ever shot. I know I used some kind of European hold there with my thumb. Don't heat me on it.